Don't start your 2025 without trying this viral cucumber sushi. It's healthy, delicious, and it takes just 10 minutes to make. Here's what you'll need: tuna, cream cheese, soy sauce, a cucumber, and a tomato. And the recipe is in the caption. Pro tip, make sure to dry all your slices really well before assembling. Trust me, my first attempt was a slippery mess because the cucumbers weren't dry enough. The trickiest part, assembling the sushi and slicing it cleanly. The hardest part, eating it all in 5 minutes because it's that good. So, who are you trying this with? And tag them in the comments and let me know if you loved it as much as I did. And like I said,